properties of Riemannian curvature tensor. So, first we explain definition of Riemannian curvature tensor. Riemannian curvature tensor is a 1-3 type tensor. 1-3 type means 1 index in superscript and 3 index in subscript. Okay? So, first we define this curvature tensor means R H I J K. This is notation of Riemannian curvature tensor. Value of R H I J K is equal to del upon del X J gamma H I K, Christoffel symbol of second kind, minus del upon del X K, Christoffel symbol of second kind H I J, plus gamma H J M I K minus H K M I J. So, this is the definition, means value of R H I J K. So, first term is partial derivative with respect to J gamma H I K minus partial derivative with respect to K gamma H I J plus H. First we replace K by new index M. So, H J M, M is dummy. So, here M contract M I K, and in minus sign H K M means we replace J by new index M. So, H K M M I J, here M is dummy index. So, this is the definition of Riemannian curvature tensor. Now, very important property of this curvature tensor means if we contract H with I, then we get 0 tensor. If we contract H is equal to and K, then we get Ricci tensor. Ricci tensor is very important. Ricci tensor is symmetric tensor of 0-2 type tensor. Clear? So, this is very important property. Means R H I J K gives two values, means after contraction H is equal to I, if we contract H is equal to I, one upper index and this lower index. So, we get 0 tensor, and if H is equal to K, then we get symmetric Ricci tensor, means R I J. This is Ricci tensor. So, if H is equal to I means this, so we get 0 tensor. If H is equal to K, so we get Ricci tensor. This is very important. Now, proof. So, first we have R H I J K, means definition of curvature tensor is this thing. Clear? So, by putting H is equal to I in this definition, so H is equal to I. We have this definition R H I J K, R H I J K is equal to del X J H I K minus del X K H I J plus gamma H J M M I K minus H K M M I J. So, this is the definition. Now, putting H is equal to I, first index lower and upper. Okay. So, So if we put h is equal to I, so here our jk is equal to I, so del xj hk minus del xk hj plus hk minus hj, means by substituting h is equal to I in this definition, so we get R hk, means by putting I is equal to h. Also by using the result Iij, means this is the property of Christoffel symbols of second kind. So we have this property, means gamma hj is equal to del x j log root g. This is the property of Christoffel symbols of second kind, means if one index upper and lower both are same, then value of hj is equal to del xj log root g or log root minus g. Okay. So by using this property, this is del xj del xk log root g minus del xk, again by using this same property, this is del xj log root g plus, here these are different, here we can't use the property, so this thing as it is. Here hjm hk, em is dummy index, so first we write as it is, means hjm hk minus hkm hj. Now this is second order partial derivative, means del 2 j del xk, and here del 2 upon del xk del xj, since it is clear. And here em is dummy, so hjm, here hkm, so hk, here hkm, so this is em is dummy, to be hk, hj, hmk, these are cancelled, so this is equal to 0. Since here m and h are dummy indices, so here both are equal, means only j and k are free, so here only j and k are free, m and h are dummy, so we can change h is equal to m and m is equal to h, so these are cancelled. Okay. So what is Ricky tensor? So after contraction upper index and lower third index, we get Ricky tensor. So we have Riemannian curvature tensor RHI JK is equal to del xj comma HIK minus del xk Hij plus gamma Hjm Mik minus Hkm Mij. So this is the definition. So how we get Ricky tensor? So by putting H is equal to K. Putting H is equal to K. So we get R H I J H is equal to del X J H is equal to K, means here I H minus del X K. H is equal to K means here H I J plus H J M I H minus H M I J. Only this is very easy by putting H is equal to K. So this can be written as R I J, means this is Ricci tensor. Okay? So this is equal to, again we will use the property of Christoffel symbols of second kind, means H I H is equal to del upon del X I log root G. Del X J, value of this thing is del X I log root G minus del X H I J plus here H J M I H minus, again we will use property of Christoffel symbols of second kind, means H M is equal to del upon del X M log root G. Del upon del X M log root G into M I J. Here we have used the property of Christoffel symbols of second kind. So this is equal to, means R I J is equal to del 2 upon del X J del X I del 2, any second order partial derivative log root G minus del X H gamma H I J plus gamma H J M I H. Okay, and now this is next function, means del, we can write this first and then, because these are in product, means A dot B is equal to B dot A. So this is M I J del upon del X M log root G. It means this is definition of Ricci tensor. We can write also del 2 upon del X I del X J, because second order partial derivative commute. Okay? So this is the definition of Ricci tensor. This is very important definition. We shall use non-zero components of Ricci tensor for any metric. This is very useful. Also, this Ricci tensor is symmetric, means R I J is equal to R J I. Okay, so this is definition and derivation of Ricci tensor.